Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I will show you how you can look beautiful without using any makeup products. Here's my before and after look. So let's get started. So guys, sometimes we don't want to wear makeup every day, especially if you are going to school, shopping or just heading out. As you can see, my dark circles are quite visible, my lips are chapped and my eyebrows need some grooming. So let's start with some basic steps. By the way, brushing your teeth is very important. This is very important for starting your day. I use an electric toothbrush which I love because it cleans my teeth really well. After brushing, make sure to floss to remove anything stuck between your teeth and keep your breath fresh all day. By the way, guys, don't forget to use mouthwash or you can use breath straps to kill any bad odors. It is so important to maintain your oral hygiene because bad breath can be unpleasant for others. So guys, next step is groom your eyebrows. I shaved my eyebrows about 3 days ago, but I still have some small hairs to remove. As beauty guru says, well groomed eyebrows can make a big difference even when you are not wearing makeup. I use tweezer to clean up the small hairs, but if I am talking about this tool works for upper lips very well, but for eyebrows I didn't like it for eyebrows. Then I cut down the extra hairs and then I will use a pulley brush for giving a beautiful shape to my eyebrows. I use tweezer to clean up the small hairs and it instantly make my face look more polished. My lips have been a bit darker and very dry, so I start with a lip balm. After letting it sit for 3 to 4 minutes, I gently exfoliate my lips with a toothbrush to remove dead skin. Don't worry, it's not too harsh for me. Once the dry skin is gone, my lips look soft and pink. I follow up with a lip plumping balm and a little more lip balm for hydration. You can clearly see the difference between my before and after lips. Next step is reduce dark circles. I'm not using any concealer because the focus of this video is no makeup, not at all. Instead, I use an ice roller under my eyes and on my eyelids to reduce puffiness and dark circles. Rub it for 3 to 4 minutes and use tissue paper to absorb any water. The ice roller also helps with redness, but that will go away after a little while. Next, for my eyelashes, I use an eyelash curler, making sure to curl all my lashes including the inner corner. After curling, I apply a small amount of Vaseline which gives my lashes a beautiful natural look without needing any mascara. By the way guys, don't forget to apply Vaseline on your lower lashes. Next step is my favorite one because it gives a beautiful chiseled look to my face. I use a gua sha stone and face roller to massage my face. This boosts blood circulation and gives my skin a natural glow and blush. So I don't need to apply any blush. Massaging your face can also help shape your jawline and reduce puffiness under the eyes. By the way guys, gua sha massage is very beneficial for your face, so you have to do it on daily basis. Let's move on the sunscreen. Sunscreen is a must for protecting your skin. I am using La Roche-Posay sunscreen, which is great for acne prone skin and provides hydration. It's my second bottle and I loved how it makes my skin feel. Always apply the sunscreen in the dabbing motion. By the way guys, drinking water is also very important part. You have to drink water on daily basis. Next, style your hairs. If you are not planning to wear makeup, make sure your hair looks nice. Clean hair can instantly elevate your look. I lightly blow dry my hairs using a Dyson Airwrap, but for this, first I will put some water on my hairs. Then I will use my Dyson Airwrap and Dyson giving it a bit of shape without overdoing it. So you can see the difference it makes, how nicely it changed my face shape and my look. Next step is add some jewelry. Jewelry can really enhance your look. I am wearing my favorite earrings from Shein. Accessories add elegance to your personality and make a bit impact on your overall appearance. Next step, always keep it in your mind, manicure and pedicure. You don't need to go to expensive salons for a manicure pedicure. I got these affordable nails from Shein and they are easy to apply at home with some glue. Today I am just using nail polish, but applying these nails can make your hand looks very elegant. Use body mist or perfumes. Good hygiene is crucial, so don't forget to use body mist or perfumes. Body mist is for your skin, while perfume is for your clothes or pulse points. Both are very important. Always use deodorants as well, especially for your underarms to keep you smelling fresh. This is before and after look. I feel fresh and elegant without any makeup. One last thing, always smile. Smiling gives you a positive vibes and makes you approachable, which is important for a healthy and happy life. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and follow me on TikTok and other accounts. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. See you in the next one. Bye.